Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Sadam Ali just got defeated by Anthony Juice Young. Anthony Young came into the fight very confident, and he just shocked the people who were in the arena and just shocked the betting public. People had Sadam Ali winning this fight. This was supposed to be a comeback fight for Sadam Ali. All the pedigree, Olympic, amateur, defeated an old Miguel Cotto. With all of that, Anthony Young was not fazed. He wins the silver title, and he proves that you never know what can happen in boxing. Now, I know Sadam Ali is not the biggest star in boxing, but this is a fight that he was supposed to win, and he did not do it. So when you see him after the fight, he looks very humbled. He looks very confused, as though he doesn't know what happened. Me personally, if I was him, when the referee Bird was giving him opportunities to fight back, I would have just taken a knee, and therefore it could have gave him an 8 count, let him get his bearings about himself, and just get to the next round. The body work, the head work, he was hurt in the body. He didn't want to show it. He had the courage, but when it's a fight like this, you have to protect yourself, and going down and taking a knee sometimes is the best thing for you. So therefore, you give yourself an opportunity to get to the end of the round, rest, and come back and see if you have anything left. Well, congratulations to Anthony Young, to Sadam Ali. Maybe better next time. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.